and welcome to our last day in Paris. Look at this breakfast. It was so good. So after a crazy fiasco of getting our rental car, we drove a few hours south of the city into the Loire Valley, and we stopped at the Blois castle. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. This castle has so much crazy history. Catherine de Medici lived here. The doorways were incredibly short for my super tall American husband. There was lots of art, and the view was absolutely beautiful. We got so lucky with the weather, especially this time of year. You never know if it's gonna rain. This is the room that Catherine de Medici died in, which is a big deal if you know French history. This was her husband Henry's room. They had different rooms. This was just a really beautiful stairwell. You couldn't go up it, so I don't know, I took a video. And then this was the outside of the castle during the day, and it sat, actually the city sat on this really beautiful, super calm little river. This was something completely unexpected. In the evening at the castle, they do a light show, and they tell the entire story with the history of the castle, and it was absolutely incredible. Highly recommend. I'm gonna leave you at the end of this video with some video from it. I hope you enjoyed this installment, and stay tuned for our next day in France.
Il a 20 ans, pour ça. Et du génie.